In this video, you'll learn how to use a self-directed SEP IRA as an entrepreneurial retirement savings tool. Are you a self-employed individual or small business owner seeking a viable retirement strategy that aligns with your financial journey? Meet the Self-Directed Simplified Employee Pension Individual Retirement Account or Self-Directed SEP IRA. With a self-directed SEP IRA, you can contribute up to 25% of your total earnings or a maximum of $66,000 per year as of 2023. These contribution limits far exceed those of a standard IRA, enabling you to accelerate your retirement savings. Better yet, you have the freedom to invest in real estate, private businesses, precious metals, and other alternative assets allowed in a self-directed IRA, but not in a standard IRA. Self-directed SEP IRA contributions can be tax-deductible, optimizing your savings and tax situations simultaneously. You can even allow your employees to open self-directed SEP IRAs through your business, and if you choose to contribute to their accounts, those contributions can be tax-deductible for you. Crucial to the self-directed SEP IRA is the SEP agreement. You will need to complete and submit this agreement to Madison Trust for account approval. As you contribute to your self-directed SEP IRA, it's also important to understand the timing implications for tax reporting. Contributions made in a specific tax year will be reported on the following year's IRS Form 5498. A self-directed SEP IRA is a powerful and flexible retirement savings option that you may not have known about before finding Madison Trust. Explore the highest-rated self-directed SEP IRA and call us to speak to one of our specialists today.